Probably have been. You know, people who are conservative, who didn't vote for me.
Yeah, he's not consistent, is he? He's not consistent.
No, it's consistently crazy.
Yeah, and then there were some even crazier revelations, which may go some way to explaining the clip that we played in a previous episode of Musk admitting that he made.
Ignition for powered descent. Everything's still looking very good at this point. Okay, all flight controllers, go for powered descent. We're off to a good start. Play it cool.
Ale fajnie tam lecę, co?
Jak już mam tyle w Szkocji.
Pewnie tu rozpłyniają, jak samochody jeżdżą, to je zdmuchują, nie? Pojedziemy przez tunel, co?